Hi, this is Carlos Cousins. The following question deals with the sentence beginning with "from here," so let's go ahead and read this together. From a virtually unexplored territory, he developed a new science, industry, and field of engineering. So this looks okay. The problem here is going to be one with parallelism. So we've got a new science, and then comma, and you have this implied a new sort of like actually existing here in your thought process, even though that's what I actually said. So you basically have a new science, a new industry, and a new field of engineering. There's nothing necessarily wrong with that. It just sounds a bit strange to have field of engineering here when all of these are just a single noun. Let's see if we find something a little bit better in terms of keeping the parallelism. We just have a single noun rather than a noun of a noun. There's nothing wrong with that per se, but let's go ahead and see if we find something better. A new trajectory science, space industry, and engineering field. So this is good. We've got two words per item here. We've got which sort of keeps the style of the sentence. It's not necessarily that the first answer was wrong. It's just that B is better. We've got a new trajectory science, a new space industry, and a new engineering field where the a new is implied. And we know this. The parallelism then is kept a lot better in the second answer choice. Let's go ahead and see if we find something even better. A new engineer. Oh, a new now is missing. So a or an engineering field would have been something. Okay, field of trajectory science and new space industry. So it sounds like an engineering field was developed, a field of trajectory science. So rather than saying field of engineering and field of trajectory science, once we have engineering field, and then instead of having trajectory science field, we have field of trajectory science. Parallelism is completely gone here. And then a new space industry, a new field of engineering, and science of rocket trajectory. This is again a little bit strange because we don't have industry of space, we've got space industry, and an engineering field, we've got field of engineering, and then science of rocket trajectory rather than rocket trajectory science. So the parallelism is gone here. Now, if you're struggling between A and B, it's a really tough choice. B just sounded slightly better. It's really, this one is more a matter of style, where we've got, sort of like two words in every single slot here in between the parentheses, the commas, and it keeps the same style of the paragraph. I hope that helps this problem, and happy prepping.